Welcome to video 2 for week 4. I'm starting at slide 7. So I'm introducing the informational interview and thank you note assignment, which is worth 20% of your final grade. You will find the informational interview assignment Word document posted in DC Connect. So remember, you go to the activities menu item, and then there's a drop down, select assignments, and when you scroll down the page, you'll find informational interview and thank you note assignment worth 20%, and you'll see the due date posted there for your section of ITCE. When you click on the item in the Dropbox or in that list, you will be able to download this full MS Word document that details the instructions. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, as you see, is conduct some research. So we'll learn how to do this during class time in week 4, or you can just use these slides and follow through. So you have to figure out who you're going to interview, right? So here's an idea of how you could find somebody. But think about what you want to learn from your informational interview. So based on that video in the first 6 slides, what are you trying to learn? Okay, because what you want to learn is going to determine who you're going to interview. If you want to interview somebody who lives in your local community, and you think, because I want to live in this community when I graduate, so you need to find businesses. Maybe you want to be the IT person at the company, so maybe one of 3 or 4 people that work at a company. Then you can use a directory like Scott's Directory and find out about companies in, let's say, Oshawa that have over 50 employees, because surely if they have over 50 employees, there's somebody who's the go-to person for IT. So I have some videos that I've created that are embedded in the slides right here that show you how to access Scott's Directory from the library website. So remember, you're not using the for free version that's available with Google. Okay, you want to go to the library so that you have all of the full resources, full access. And then how to search for businesses with over 50 employees, maybe in your community. Or maybe you want to work specifically for an IT company. So there's a video that shows you how to do that as well. Another thing you can do is find people through going and looking at reviews for companies using something like Indeed. Or you can use LinkedIn. I know you've got an account now. Use LinkedIn and search for companies where you think it would be neat to work. Or search for a specific job title to see if you can find people that do that job and then reach out to them. Another thing you can do is interview somebody who has maybe continued their studies with an academic pathway and ask them what it's like to study, why they chose to continue their studies, and what the program is like. And these are some slides that will help you find different pathways that you could actually take if you are in the CP cluster or the systems cluster.